Time check, it's 4:56 in the morning. Gikidnap ko sa akong bana kay mag-errand sa daw mi kadali. And another time check, it's 5:12. Finally, human na mi sa among quick errands. Pero grabe na jud kagutom at this point, guys. So, sige mag-drive around the city. Wala mi makita na makauna. Good thing I remembered na nakita kong post sa FB na na-ay open na rooftop na bar and cafe at this time. So, nisugod mi og Sandawa and here it is, guys. Rooftop, cafe, and bar. Time check, it's 5:25 and we finally arrived here. Medyo pasaka lang gyud siya, guys. Wala siya elevator pero paitsar wala man pud mi nakapoy. And oh my gosh, guys, pag sulod na mo, grabe ka nice sa iyahang place. I-quick tour sa nako mo, guys, ha. So mao ni basically ang itsura sa lugar. It's actually not small. Sakto ra gid iyahang size and daghan pud ma-accommodate na people. Unya isa sad sa ako ang ma-appreciate diri na place, guys, ang ilahang view. So diri makit-an nimo ang Sandawa. And there is JLY Steel Builders. Hello, Miss Alice. Cherries, oh, close yarn. And this is their bar area. And then this is their menu. Feel free to pause it na lang, guys, to check out all their food and drink offerings. While waiting for our orders, nagtanaw-tanaw sa ko diri sa ilahang VIP lounge and I found out na pwede din ni siya maka-cater og exclusive events and up to 30 packs pa gyud siya, guys. So daghan-daghan gyud ma-accommodate diri. And finally, nagkahinay-hinay na og abot ang among orders, guys. So we got the ultimate Pinoy breakfast for 450 and we also got Dead Hungry meal. This is customizable, by the way, for 400 pesos. And we also got iced Americano. This is for my husband. And this is for me, the iced caramel macchiato for 170 pesos. Alright, sa exciting part na ta sa akong video, ang itry ang akong drinks. And oh my gosh, guys, perti kalami gyud sa iced caramel macchiato, as in, no char. And ang akong husband ganahan pud, guys, sa iyahang iced Americano. Now, if you're a fan of specialty coffee, guys, this is also the place for you, kay naga-offer pud sila ana na option. And timing kayo, guys, naka-try pud ko sa ilahang specialty coffee kato pag adto na mo didto. So cheers sa taani. And when I tried it, oh my gosh, lami kayo siya. Kanang kakaiba gyud siya sa kanang usual coffee na atong gipalit. Wala pa ko na kontento sa ako ang iced caramel macchiato, guys. So nag-order pud ko sa ilaha cafe mocha and nakita gyud ako kung giunsa siya pag-prepare with the latte art and all, and it was so nice. Mo ni iyahang itsura afterwards and syempre tilawan na to na, no? And when I tried it, it was so good, you guys. It did not disappoint gyud. It's time for breakfast, guys, and we were so happy kay namin na meet na mga people, so namin mga newfound friends. O, diba, meeting new friends while having breakfast, because why not? And guys, dili mi pwede mo uli na dili mo palit sa ilahang cold brew. So we got the white cold brew and black cold brew. Wala na time check, guys, kay perti na jud kakapoy pauli na mi ani at this point. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!